What's going on, folks? Once again, I'm Nev from Nev's Tech Bits, otherwise known as your friendly neighborhood basement dweller. Don't worry, ma'am, I am from the internet. We're checking out August 1982 Popular Mechanics Cobra World's Hottest Kit Car. Now, I wonder if these kit cars are actually, down to the engine and everything, or are they just the body and you put it on like a Volkswagen Beetle chassis or something? On page one, of course, we have real men, except they're not actually dirty. They don't even look like they would smell bad. But hey, real men doing real men stuff, apparently. Gotta get a bit of mud on the tires, I say. Wait a second. Where's the alcoholism? I'm sorry. Usually it's on page 3. I'm worried about it. I'm concerned about us. Oh no, where's the alcoholism? Oh no, did they remove it? I'm worried now. There's no alcohol advertisements in this one. I just flipped to the back. That's so crazy. Unnerving. Different. I guess we're huffing paint fumes today, guys. Dutch boy knows its paint is good. They make it. The Performer. Available at Kmart. It's not just a job. It's an adventure. Man, I'd love one of those little Coleman. What would you even call those? A caboose? Nice. It's interesting to see this kind of stuff being sold because contractors don't seem to go with this stuff. At the end of the day, I guess it's 2025 now, and everyone's going with the paintbrush. I don't see anybody using this, really. I see a lot of people making interesting things with pipe in the 80s, PVC pipe, but how many years do you think that would have to go through before it, wasn't really good in the winter? It would break apart easily, I wonder. Got a truck advertisement for the Toyota on the right. I'm going to go through all of the advertisements for the vehicles because it's been requested from me. Did you say 1/3 less tar? Oh, Billy, I'm betting this one, baby. I'm sorry. He's got 1/3 less tar. Discover 175 full-size sports cars you can build from kits. How many pieces, though, I wonder? For the low price and mass-produced compact car, you can now own authentically detailed MG Roadster. Okay. Nice. Oh, check out how sexy this is. An antenna booster. Popular Mechanics antenna booster. Joe Camel kicking back with a pack of cigarettes. It's so strange there's no women in the wild to be checking him out. It's really interesting how religious stuff will easily make it into the Popular Mechanics. This is the Shroud of Turin, and basically Jesus, when he was on the cross, he stopped, and that was the 4th position of the cross. Anyways, it's a really deep Catholic thing, and the Shroud of Turin is one of these things that they like to keep around in a certain church so that people will make pilgrimages to come to it and bless the town with money. Oh boy, I'm a boomer. Do I like smoking my cigars? And actually, I don't know anyone who ever did any of these things. I don't know who this is targeted at. Otter eaters' feet are sweeter. I think this is the first thing I've seen about athlete's foot. So, like, legit, the Pink Panther was a movie, live action, that had clips of these guys in it, but the cartoon came after, right? And then they put their name down on fiberglass. Just $6 each, little golden flags. That's right, they made these little golden pieces and silver pieces out of a lot of different things and sold them. Airlines once. This apple's giving me naughty thoughts. Handcrafted excitement. That's not the kind of handcrafted excitement we get online. Oh, check this out. Build Popular Mechanics delivery wagon. And you can have the children delivering some papers and stuff for you. Get out there and start getting monetized, kid. Well, that's interesting. You have to order the plans for this. Here we got an advertisement for the Mazdas and new Sky Spies for Killer Hurricane. Here we can see what I can only imagine to be a low-orbit ion cannon and not a hurricane watcher. Now, through the power of positive thought, that'll make it a reality, right? Wait, United States Department of Commerce? Why's the Department of Commerce making these checks? Oh, mon ami, oui, oh mon dieu. Yes. Oh, calculators uses computers that have receipt paper. Of course, you don't want to ever touch receipt paper. It's bad for you, especially over time. Like, everything gives you cancer, but receipt paper really gives you cancer. Hewlett-Packard, back in the day before it was HP, when it was a really good name before it amalgamated with Compaq. It was a really, really good name. Texas Instrument printing out strips. That's interesting. Okay. Oh, wait, those aren't printouts. Those are insertions so you can figure out what you're typing. Stabby stab, rip stab. Oh, wow, check that one out. It even has a measurator and knives. Okay, so that's fascinating. I finally found an issue that doesn't have any alcoholism in it. No alcohol being sold. And I'm wondering if that was in somebody's honor, if there was a reason for it, because is this 87? No, 82. In 82, I don't see any reason why there wouldn't be any alcohol. And I'm going to go through other ones and check it out. But till then, have a good one, folks. Take care of each other, will you?